I'm going to do is these are white flowers with a yellow center. So this is a 16 flat still. See how I'm bringing the white down in the middle a little bit. Okay, so we want to do pink now. All right, so let's pick up neon pink with a little baby pink, and I might put some magenta later. There we go. All right, I'm going to put a pink one up here. Um, all right, so that's going to be the pink, and I'll come back with some brighter pink later. All right, so we're going to get some more white and over here. We get some white. Okay, up and over, up and over. Okay, but I need some deeper pink. All right, let's get some magenta. There we go, a little bit of darker pink. And we're just going to put that in the center. Okay, that's just a little side loaded of magenta. And so that neon doesn't cover super good. It's just a pretty bright color. And then in here, I'm going to put the magenta. Okay, and this pink up there. All right, so what do you think? Now we're going to put our centers in it and see what that looks like to you guys. All right, so I'm going to take a little brush, not a scruffy brush. We're going to take our stamens in here first. And so what those will look like, for instance, in the middle, these are little stamens all in here. So we're coming right into these little flowers that we made. You saw how I did the different petals. And then I balanced it out with pink, purple. There's triangles of color. The watercolor in the background pulls in these colors. All right, so this is a 2 script liner, and we're doing the inky the inky white to get the stamens. And then I did come up here with a few little spots here. And I'm going to bring in the same colors again, right? And see the yellow, yellow, yellow. All right, so what we're going to do, all right, we're going to pick up the yellow. All the way around. We're going to put this is a 2 script liner, and we're going to put them on the stamens, on the little stems. See how that just makes it all pop? I love to share little steps on how to do these little details to make your flowers turn into more, where you can shade extra color in the center. Do that a lot with hibiscus, and these look like a little bit like miniature ones. And then in here you can't see the stamen, but we could just put some yellow in the middle. And then what I want to do is just bring that yellow up here, a big thick yellow, so they just look like they're starting to bloom. And you can use our super thick paint and add texture to all of these. But how do you think that goes? All right. So just remember, you can always come around with the white and edge around flower petals, especially if you're not happy with how the edges turned out. You want them to stand out more. You know, see this purple? I think they turned out good, but you can add if you want this to stand out a lot more than the background flowers. Okay. Especially this one. It kind of looks like it fluted into it. All right. Right here, we really want this to stand out. Thank you for being on with me. Please subscribe and share and check out our membership and check out onestroke.com. That's my website to find all the supplies I'm using. And we have good prices for you there. And we ship to lots of countries. There you go. And I'm going to sign it. I got palettes everywhere. Okay. All downward strokes. All right. I hope you guys enjoy. I just want you to know that each one of these you can put a little bit of the darker color of what's in it, or a little bit of green. This one I had darker pink. This one's already got plenty of purple. I hope you enjoyed. There you go. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.